We've made our business successful by focusing one person at a time. That's why we treat everyone with the same care and attention every single time. And now we're proud to share some great feedback. Take a look. And here's our latest rave online review. Our staff works hard to deliver top quality service and optimal value. It's just one more bit of evidence that we're on the right track with our company-wide emphasis on quality and satisfaction. But don't take their word for it. We're confident that you'll love the value and attention to detail that our team delivers. Our door is always open to answer any questions you might have, so please don't hesitate. Call us today at the number on your screen.